Today I want to talk about African black soap, and on the long run I'll also tell you what you can add to your African black soap in order for it to glow your skin, even though it glows your skin without any additives. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. African black soap does well in polishing your skin. Let me show you how it looks like. Look at mine here. I've not yet mixed mine yet, so that's why I'm making a review on this. This is what I use. This is my bathing soap, but I do add some natural ingredients to it in order to boost its effects. It polishes your skin. Look how it looks like. So I want to show you how it looks like. You can add anything, any ingredients that you know. If you want to glow your skin, if you want to whiten your skin, want to brighten your skin, you just want to polish your skin, you just have to know the right ingredients to use for it, and it's going to give you the results that you want. That is the beautiful thing about this soap. It's like a base, so whatever you add to it is going to give you what you want. This is how it is. I'm so happy I got it. I've been waiting for it to arrive, so I'm so excited. This is how it is. It smells like black soap, you know now. Okay, this you just add it to you put it into your mortar, and you add all your additives and pound it. You pound it enough for everything to mix and incorporate very well. Then you have to leave it for at least 3 days before you start using it. You can't just use it after pounding. No, it will be too harsh for your skin. Look at mine. Look at the one I already mixed. It's almost finished, so that's why I got a new one to mix, because I don't want to go a day without using my black soap. My darling, if you're looking for how to maintain your skin, how to moisturize, maintain your skin, brighten your skin, glow your skin, this is it. And if you're not the type that love using lotion a lot, you can always bath with this black soap with the good additives you've added to it. That if you want a moisturizing effect, you add moisturizing properties. If you want a brightening effect, you add brightening properties. If you want a glowing effect, you add a glowing properties. So it all depends on what you want. So you can add those things to this black soap, and you can use this. Take a look at my skin. This is what I use. I can go a week without lotion. As far as it softens my skin, gives me the glow I want, what do I need a lotion for? So try this black soap. I decided to make this review because people do ask me what I am using on my skin, and a lot of people think it's lotion. It's not all about lotion. It's all about feeding your skin with the right things. And do you know that I add natural ingredients and pound this soap very well? I add natural ingredients. I add avocado, pawpaw, all those fruits, all kinds of fruits you can think of that is good for the skin. As long as I know it, I add it to this soap, and it really works for me. It works for me. Okay, now look at my small corner. And after the mixture, it smells so nice. So my darling, you can get this soap through the link I'm going to put down below, and you can add your whatever additive you can think of, but in moderate quantities, please. In moderate. If you need me to show you how I mix mine, I can also make a video of how I mix my own soap, so that you don't overdo. Please don't overdo, so that it doesn't react on your skin. Do it the right way, and you're going to get the right results. Please remember to subscribe if this is your first time of stopping by. Turn on your notification bell so as to notify each time there is an upload coming from me, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Share it to your friends and loved ones, and always remember to come back to Nature Beauty channel. See you in my next video, darling. Bye.